Welcome to Quadify Pro. This is the industrial-grade solution for complex mesh optimization. We're going to take this high-poly automotive asset and turn it into a production-ready model. First, we run a scan and fix. Unlike basic tools, Pro performs a deep diagnostic of your geometry, fixing non-manifold edges and zero-area faces automatically before the optimization even begins. Next, scale. The Units module ensures your asset is perfectly calibrated for your engine. Whether it's Unreal, Unity, or GLTF, one click standardizes your scale and rotation, eliminating export errors forever. Pro features two powerful workflows. Pipeline mode offers a non-destructive real-time quantification. For specific parts, like hoods or doors, manual mode gives you the surgical precision you need for high-end topology. The action stack is where the magic happens. Build a custom sequence of operations, from mesh cleanup to poly reduction, and execute your entire workflow in a single pass. Pro is built for scale. Use the batch module to optimize entire vehicle hierarchies at once, or save your settings as a recipe to maintain consistency across your whole studio team. Generate game-ready collision halls instantly and export with confidence. Quadify Pro isn't just a tool, it's your bridge from raw CAD data to the final engine. Quadify Pro. Automate your pipeline today.